Hey my sunshines, welcome back to our channel, Sunshine Cute Hairstyle. Today we'll be creating a sleek ponytail and covering the elastic band with the topsy tail. First, I'll spray some water on the hair so it gets damp so it's easier to comb. Combine all the hair together using an elastic band. Take a small piece of hair. Put the rest over the shoulder, spray it down with some water if needed. Wrap it around the ponytail so we can hide the elastic band. Using a topsy tail, put it in the center of the ponytail. Put the piece of hair through the topsy tail and pull it through all the way to the end. There you have it, my sunshines. That's how I will create a sleek ponytail. If you have any ideas or questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Please make sure to like this video and give it a big thumbs up. Until next time, my sunshines, I love and appreciate your support. Please check out our other videos.